Welcome back to my channel Travelav. This is Vicky from India. Nice to meet you all. In this video, I will explore the fascinating world of iconic windmills, charming wood houses, Zaanse Museum, and other souvenir shops. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel to grow. In the last video, I covered the group bus tour cost and introduced our guide Elia. So located just outside the Amsterdam, Zaanse Schans is like a journey back in the time where you can see and experience real functioning windmills that once powered entire industries in this region.
Ladies and gentlemen, look at this beautiful place. What you're looking at, in fact, is the world's first industrial park. In 1700s, there was over 600 windmills in this river Zaanse, and they were making stuff. Beginning of consumerism right here, ladies and gentlemen. Windmills themselves are very old machines. They go all the way back to ancient Greece, and they were used for milling grain. Romans brought them here in the first millennium. But Dutch are really good tinklers. We give them a machine, they'll start messing with it, find alternative uses for it. First of all, in 1400s, Dutch started to attach water wheels to windmill. As I mentioned to you, 25% of this country's surface is a result of land reclamation. So once you could do it by mechanical means, that was much more effective. Go ahead and explore the complex. Windmills are that way. There's nothing that makes up stores. But ladies and gentlemen, don't go too far because the bus will be leaving at 9:30. But 9:10 I'll be waiting for you over there to take a photo. So please take that.
Stop. From the riverside views to historical village atmosphere, this place offers a unique look into the Dutch history and craftsmanship. Now I am heading towards the Dutch windmills. These homes with their vibrant green facades, intricate white trim and sloping roofs create a picturesque landscape that feels almost like a storybook-like. You can see the beautiful views of the windmills along the river and the stunning landscape of Zaanse Schans. Zaanse Schans is a home to the several unique types of windmills, each designated for a specific task. First, we will see the D-Cat, the world's only die mill still in operation, used for grinding chalk to produce pigments. You are watching their giant blades turn and their intricate machinery in the motion. Likewise, you can find other notable windmills include Het Jong Shop, a timber sawmill, and the Zoker, an oil mill that extracts oil from the seeds. Now I am heading back to explore the Zaanse Museum. I am walking through these preserved houses gives a deeper appreciation of the ingenuity and the spirit of the Dutch people. Each house reflects the architectural styles of the Zaanse region, and many were relocated to the Zaanse Schans from the near villages to preserve them as a cultural heritage. A few houses are now museums, allowing visitors to step inside and experience the interior of the time, complete with the antique furniture, hand-painted walls, and traditional Dutch tiles. Other buildings have been converted into the shops selling local crafts and souvenirs like clogs, cheese, and handmade crafts, creating a lively and welcoming atmosphere. You can do souvenir shopping here and bring the Dutch gifts to your home. €49, €69. This house features both a cozy cafe and a charming shop, making it the perfect spot to enjoy the breakfast and browse the local goods. This is the kitchen window of the house. I am now walking towards the welcoming gate of Zaanse Schans, conveniently located near the Zaanse Museum. I am now entering the museum. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, be sure to hit that button. Also feel free to leave any comment if you have any question about the Amsterdam tour. This museum offers amenities like a cafe where visitors can relax and enjoy the local delicacies, and a gift shop featuring souvenirs, books and handmade crafts that reflect the region heritage. The tour of biscuit and chocolate begins at this point. You need to go downstairs. First, you can look at the biscuit making process and you can learn about the different flavors and technique used here. Once the dough is ready, it is rolled out and cut into the shapes by using the cookie cutters. The cut biscuits are placed on the trays and baked in the large ovens. So you can watch as the biscuit rise and golden brown, filling the air with an irresistible aroma. The process of biscuit making depends on the several factors like ingredients, shaping, baking and cooling and decorating. Next, you will see chocolate making process. You can see the different machines of chocolate making process here. The chocolate making process encompasses several key steps, starting with cocoa beans, followed by roasting and grinding, tempering, molding and cooling, and finally adding the finishing touches. This is all about biscuit and chocolate making process. Don't miss the upcoming video featuring a tour of Edam, Volendam and Marken, exploring the charming Dutch countryside and ending with a scenic Amsterdam canal cruise. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more traveling vlogs from around the world. I will see you in the next video.